Hello student, bar welcome in this YouTube channel JEE May 2022 June 24. Shift first. Question is a proton, a deuteron and alpha particle with the same kinetic energy enter a region of uniform magnetic field V at right angles. So student, let it is uniform magnetic field V and three particles naming proton, deuteron and alpha particles. So let it is proton, and this is deuteron and this is alpha particle. Alpha particles entering in the magnetic field B at right angle, so they attain a circular path entering in magnetic field. Let their radius is Rp, radius of proton, radius of deuteron Rd, and radius of alpha particles are alpha. Okay. Since you know when a particle enter in a magnetic field, it feel a force which is called magnetic force. So F equal to QVV sin theta, because particles are entering with right angle. So 90. This force is also obtained on a circular path by the centripetal force, which is mv square over r equal to qvv. Okay, so mv over r equal to qv and r equal to mv over qv. And you know about kinetic energy, that kinetic energy k equal to half mv square. From here we can get 2k upon m under root 2k upon m equal to v. So we put here v, okay, and obtain r equal to m over qv into v is under root 2k over m. When we enter m in this root, we got m square, and m is 1 upon qv under root 2k m square over m. So we divided m and got r equal to under root 2k m over qv. Here kinetic energy of the particles are same as given in question, and charge on particles are different. Magnetic field is also uniform, therefore R is directly proportional to under root m over q. Okay, so for alpha proton 1h1, here m is 1. For proton m is 1 and q is also 1. Okay, 1h2 which is deuteron, so m equal to 2 and q equal to 1. And for alpha particles, 2 helium 4 is called alpha particles. So here m is 4 and q equal to 2 unit. Okay, so r proton over r deuteron ratio r alpha particle equal to under root m is 1 over 1 ratio under root 2 over 1 ratio under root 4 over 2. Okay, mass under root mass over charge. So this become 1 ratio 2 ratio, when under root 4 means 2 divided by 2, so we got 1. Therefore the radius of proton, radius of deuteron and radius of alpha particle are in the ratio of 1 ratio 2 ratio 1. So in this way we got the ratio of radius of the circle attained by these three particles, which are in the ratio of 1 ratio root 2 ratio 1. So which is found in option B. Student, I hope you got it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share it to your friend, and also make comment for any query or doubt. Thanks for watching.